Hello guys, now we are into the tools section. This lesson teaches you how to get leads into your system. Here we are using the landing page or the squeeze page or the lead page. In order to create simple, fast and effective lead pages or landing pages or squeeze page, whatever you call, let's keep it simple as lead page. In order to get that, Thrive is the theme which is cheap, best and reliable. If you own a WordPress site, this is a theme which you have to go. Let's go dig in and see what it offers and how effective it is. Okay, this is the Thrive website. You can see what all they'll offer: Thrive Optimize, Thrive Theme Builder, Thrive Leads, Quiz Builder, Ultimatum, Ovation. The major things which we require right now to generate leads is Thrive Leads. In order to get one single plugin or the whole package of that, we have to be paying somewhere around $19 a month, which is ridiculously expensive when you are starting out, right? Which is really expensive. Install up to 25 websites. I mean, like if you are just starting with one website, it's seriously expensive, right? What I would recommend is go to Fiverr, opt for Thrive installation. Once you have this, once you search this Thrive installation, you can see some of the vendors who are ready to install Thrive for lifetime updates and which cost somewhere around $15. I would recommend this guy because I have used this and it is very much, he is very much reliable and my website is working without any troubles from many years. So you can choose this guy. Once the Thrive is installed, let's go to Thrive plugin. So once Thrive plugin is installed, you can see all the related plugins along with Thrive architecture, right? So what we need is Thrive leads. Okay. So we are creating first lead generating page in our website. I think you guys are familiar with WordPress dashboard. I don't need to explain everything, but here let's create lead group. It's a it's a name where you can say, okay, I'll give a name to this group. In this lead group, we have to mention where we are showing this lead generating theme or like a page. So we have to say in which page we are incorporating or we are getting these leads. So what we can do is, let's go to pages. What I am doing is, I have a web page, right? I have a web page where I do generate leads. So here I am getting the leads. Okay, this is one of the example. This is my web page and I am getting leads here. So what I will be doing is I will add one more. Okay, see, this is like an action to be taken, like web form where he gets, right, but something catchy where when user interacts with the page it has to come up, pop up, something like that, right? So I'll be adding one of the lead generation element over there. For that, what I'll do is I'll select the page, that is getting page, and once I save, so in that page it has to come, right? So what we'll do is we'll display on website desktop. We have options, right? Display on desktop. So let's edit. Okay, once we create, probably we can edit these things, display on desktop and display on mobile. Before that, we'll create an opt-in form. How? There are couple of ways where you can test. Here you can test, but there are few effective ones. One is Lightbox, one is Ribbon, and the subtle way is inside the content. Scroll mat is like covers everything and it asks like, please sign in. You can use that. And initially you can use Ribbon or Lightbox. I'll go for Ribbon. I'll show you how it works. In Ribbon, we have to create one of the form, right? That's what lead generation, right? So Ribbon line leads. So this is in the form of ribbon which comes over the top of your website web page. Here let's show displays immediately on the page load. Cool. Displays, and you have certain trigger options saying that show after a certain period of time, show when the user scrolls to a percentage of way down the content, show when user reaches the bottom of the page. Let's change that. When user goes bottom of the page, let it load. Display frequency all the time, let it be there. On the top or bottom, that's what it asks. Let's keep it on bottom, it's on top itself. And let's edit the design, how it should look when someone enters. Beautiful theme, you can't miss out. I mean, this has very good things. You can see here personal brand v2 step ribbon. Step ribbon, we'll go to step ribbon. I'll show you how it looks, how cool it looks. We'll select one of this, and it says hi, I am Jane. I'll say hi, I am Sid. Sign up to discover my favorite tools to make my business run on autopilot. Sign up to discover my favorite tools to make my business run on autopilot. Fine. Then I'll change the image according to mine. So once I change the image and show me, fine. There are two steps. See, once you, I mean, this does have, this is like a not directly sign up. So it says like show me. Once you click this, it will go to state. It will change the state. This is the state where it says again sign up. This is said sign up to discover favorite tools to run on pilot. And in this state, I'll change a little bit of image in this state. And here you can see here, this is a place which captures the email address of your lead, potential lead, right? So once someone comes here, he has to enter here to get the favorite tools like autopilot things, right? Here, what we can do is we have to add a connection. In the sense, in order to get these leads into a list, it's better to add it into certain autoresponder software, right? Right now here I have installed Aweber. Instead of that, you can directly send out an email or WordPress account. These are time consuming tasks, but here whenever someone comes into your website, he has to go into a loop of all these steps of sending out introduction mail, then listing out certain products for him, all these things, right? So introducing yourself, let it be the autoresponder Aweber. In the coming lesson, I will be explaining about the Aweber, how to set this up. And there is only one mailing list right now. I have kept it as Warrior Plus, and we will say apply. Okay, let's apply. So API is successfully added. We have created this page, and let's save this work. Once you save this work, right? Once this work is saved, you can preview it. Save preview. See, and if you click this, it will go to here. It will go here. Fine, this has been saved, and we'll come here. We'll show conversion rate, everything. It will say whenever someone logs in. So once this is done, back to dashboard. We'll go here. Display only on desktop, not on mobile, because mobile screens are small. No need ribbons to come up, right? Once this is done, we will test it out. Okay, we'll refresh it and we'll see whether the opt-in form comes in. So the trigger has to happen whenever I go down to the page. Fine, you got it, right? So here I will type my email address and show me. Right now we are just given response saying that successfully created or something, some auto response saying that success. Fine, and it won't show now, right? So this is how it should create, but but the thing is, like, you can still edit these things. If you go here, right, ribbon, go here in this ribbon page, you can still go edit certain things where if you aren't comfortable just with success message, if he has to be taken to the some other page, right, he can, so after successful submission he can be redirected to custom URL or switch state, anything. Custom URL is better option over here because you are giving out free tools to run an autopilot. Instead of that, you can also change certain things over here. if you are just showing success message that you will be opting into my email list or something like that, I'll go to Aweber account and I'll show you how, whether my email address has been added. Let's search option by email. Not is, contains sin. Yeah, see. All right. So this is how even I have generated. I'll just show you how many emails I have. This is how I generated 353 mails. 353. I can show you only this. 353 mails, 353 leads, just by setting up something of this. So whenever you create a video, whenever you review, whenever you launch Jack, whenever you promote something, whenever you do anything, just point it, just leave a message, leave a URL so that it points to your opt-in page or the lead page where people can enter their email address. There are a lot of people out there in market who will be interested in your product or in your services. You have to get them on your list. So if you are not redirecting them to certain landing page or the lead page, you will be losing out those people completely, because how can you reach out those guys again, right? So it's always better to have a lead page like this, and I would really recommend go for Thrive. It will only cost around $15. This is a way how to get leads into your system.